We all know that we should be drinking plenty of water each day. Even more if you're exercising or sweating, or if you're trying to lose weight. But sometimes drinking plain water can be a little boring. Infused water is a great option if you like flavored water but don't want to have extra sugar or calories. They are easy to make at home. Infused water or detox water can generally be any combination of fruits, vegetables and herbs immersed in cold water and infused for 12 to 48 hours. Choose any local seasonal fresh fruit or vegetable you like and try to mix them as per your flavor and taste. It is a great idea for kids' water bottles. There are many health benefits of infused water, including appetite control, hydration, immune defense, heartburn prevention, blood sugar regulation, and weight management. Here, I show you a few combinations which I use. Orange and blueberries. Blueberries contain high antioxidants and oranges are rich in vitamin C. The light sweetness of the berries will complement well with the strong flavor of oranges. Lime, cucumber and mint. Lime improves digestion and helps in improving skin quality. Mint is good for digestion and provides a touch of sweetness without the sugar. Cucumbers are 96% water, gives good flavor and extra hydration. Lemon, strawberry and mint. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C and supports weight loss. Adding strawberry gives a good color and is also a rich source of vitamin C. Mint adds a refreshing element to the already cold water. Apple and cinnamon. Apple are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids and help in weight loss and boost immunity. Cinnamon is loaded by antioxidants. This is a perfect drink to boost your energy levels. Cucumber, kiwi and lemon. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Adding cucumber and lemon enhances the vitamin C and hydration of the drink. Strawberry, cucumber and lime. Strawberries add a little sweetness. Cucumber and lime add flavor to the water and making it taste bright and refreshing. Moreover, this drink can boost your immune system and has anti-inflammatory properties. Infused water is a fantastic way to look and feel healthier as it can wash away harmful toxins in your body and help you lose weight. Drinking 6 to 8 glasses per day really can boost your health, aid hydration, and keep your vital organs in good condition. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.